In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dotted underline in Microsoft Word. This is a simple formatting trick that can make certain words stand out in a more subtle way than bold or color changes. And it's great for study notes, design-forward documents, or when you want a softer visual cue under key terms. Start by selecting the text you want to format. Click and drag your cursor over the exact word or phrase. Selecting first is important because Word applies underline styles only to the content you've highlighted. If nothing is selected, Word may be set to apply the underline to whatever you type next, which isn't always what you want. A clean selection gives you precise control and ensures the dotted style appears exactly where you need it. Next, make sure you're on the Home tab. This is the main toolbar at the top of Word where you'll find font, paragraph, and style controls. If you've been working in other tabs like Insert or Layout, simply click Home to return to the standard formatting tools. Now look for the underline icon in the font group. It's the letter U. Instead of clicking the U directly, select the small down arrow next to it. That tiny arrow is the key. It opens a menu of underline styles. A lot of people miss this and only ever use the default straight underline, but the drop-down gives you a range of options. From the menu that appears, choose the dotted underline style. It's usually labeled dotted or shown with a line of small dots. As soon as you click it, Word applies that style to your selected text. You should see a neat line of evenly spaced dots under your words, matching the color of the text itself. If you look closely, you'll notice the dots maintain consistent spacing and don't merge with descenders on letters like G, J, or Y, which keeps things legible. Take a moment to review your selection. If the dotted underline appears on too much or too little text, simply adjust your selection and repeat the same process. This approach is quick and reliable, and it keeps your document's formatting consistent because you're using Word's built-in underline styles rather than manually drawing lines. That's all there is to it. By highlighting your text, going to the Home tab, opening the Underline dropdown, and choosing the dotted style, you can add a clean, professional dotted underline exactly where you want it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing your documents with this simple formatting technique.